Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up a database using Google Sheets from Google Drive on Appsheet. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to connect Appsheet to a Google Sheets spreadsheet stored in Google Drive and use it as a database for your app. Step 1. Create a Google Sheets spreadsheet. First, you will need to create a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. This will be the database for your app. You can create a new spreadsheet by going to drive.google.com and clicking on the New button, then Google Sheets. Step 2. Prepare your data. Next, you will need to prepare your data. Make sure your data is organized in a tabular format with a header row that contains the column names. You can also add data validation, drop-down lists, and other features to make it easier for your users to enter data. Step 3. Share the spreadsheet. Once your data is ready, you need to share the spreadsheet with Appsheet. Go to the File menu and click on Share. Enter the email address of the Appsheet account you want to share the spreadsheet with, and set the access permission to Edit. Step 4. Create an Appsheet account. If you haven't already done so, you will need to create an Appsheet account. Go to appsheet.com and sign up for a free account. Step 5. Create a new app. Once you're logged into Appsheet, click on the New App button to create a new app. Appsheet will prompt you to connect to a data source. Select Google Sheets and sign into your Google account. Step 6. Select the spreadsheet. You will be prompted to select the spreadsheet that you want to use as the data source for your app. Select the spreadsheet that you shared with Appsheet in Step 3. Step 7. Design your app. You can now start designing your app by adding forms, views, and actions. Appsheet provides a simple drag-and-drop interface to design your app. You can also use formulas, workflows, and custom actions to customize the app's behavior. Step 8. Test and publish your app. Once you've finished designing your app, you can test it by running it on a simulated device. When you're ready, you can publish your app to the Appsheet gallery or to your own website. And that's it. You've successfully created an app using a Google Sheets spreadsheet stored in Google Drive as a database. Appsheet makes it easy to connect to a Google Sheets spreadsheet and use it as a database for your app. You can also use Appsheet to connect to other data sources, such as databases, Excel spreadsheets, and cloud services. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up a database using Google Sheets from Google Drive on Appsheet. We hope you found it helpful and that you are now ready to create your own app using Appsheet. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Appsheet. We hope you found it helpful and that it has given you a good understanding of the basics of Appsheet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Appsheet tutorials and other related content. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.